Hello ladies and gentlemen, today I will teach you how to create a picture with a red London bus on a black and white background. So this is what the end result is going to look like. So we start with such an image in color, and as you can see the bus is in the foreground. So the first step is to duplicate the image. And then once we have it duplicated, we desaturate the upper layer. So as you can see now, the upper layer is desaturated. So then to get the red bus on the upper layer, so the way to do it is to use a layer mask. So we go here and we add layer mask, white full opacity. And then we are going to paint black where the bus is located to make it come out from the lower layer. So we take a hard brush, then we go ahead, we paint on the bus. So we can zoom out to see where the bus is located. Alright, once you paint it on the red part of the bus, then you can apply the layer mask. And that's it. You have the image of a red London bus on the black and white background. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something from it. So if you like it, don't forget to hit the like button, and see you next time. Bye.